Good evening, dear viewers. Today I will explain about the importance of organic matter in the soil productivity. First of all, let's see what is the meaning of organic matter. So, organic matter refers to the use of vermicompost, farmyard manure, green manure, microbiomass, which includes the residue of the plants. Usually, organic matter increase more diverse population of soil organism, that is ranging from the soil biota, ranging from useful myriad insects to the invisible microbes, the useful one that is bacteria and fungi. In this, the very familiar one is the earthworm. Now let's see what is the meaning of the soil productivity. Now, usually the soil productivity refers to the micro and macronutrients present in the soil. Second thing, the moisture retentivity of the soil. And the third one, the soil has ability to maintain the temperature. So, these three things together can be called as the soil productivity. But before I start about the importance of this organic matter, first of all, let's see what happened after the Green Revolution. As we know, the Green Revolution was started in India. It was introduced in the late 1960s. And Green Revolution that started the adoption of hybrid variety of seeds, then the intensive irrigation, use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Shift in the crop diversity has been seen. The farmers, they started the same type of same quality of seeds. Then the cropping pattern is changed. Now what happened? The farmers, they started using the major crops like the wheat and the rice and the pulses. So all the minor crops, there are so many, they were not grown. And what happened? The increased area under the soil depleting crops and the use of chemical fertilizer drained the soil of vital micronutrients. Now, these conventional farming practices result into the decrease in the use of soil organic matter, due to which the farm soil lost the moisture retentivity and the ability to maintain the temperature. Now, second thing, let's see that what is the meaning of the micro and macronutrients. Now, first of all, let's see. Now, usually the organic matter, that is the farm yard manure, green manure, biomass, slowly release the reservoir for the plant. That is the macronutrients. When we talk about the macronutrients means nitrogen, phosphorus and potash, the major nutrients. And the micronutrients means the zinc, calcium, magnesium, then nickel, iron, so many which the plants usually need in a very small amount. Now, chemical fertilizer, as the farmers they were using, provides only the macronutrients, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potash. But what happened when the organic matter is used in the farm? It provides both macro and micronutrients. Now, micronutrients provided by organic matter, it gives healthy growth and the lateral development in the plants. Another thing, the organic matter, it gives crops more immune to the pest and disease. Now, next thing we are going to see how the organic matter, it affects the soil moisture retentivity. Now, usually the soil which contains the organic matter, more and more organic matter, so what happened? Its ability to retain the moisture, it just increases. And the soil where the organic matter is less, what happened? It just doesn't retains the moisture. So during the hot and dry season, usually the soil that contains more organic matter, it holds larger quantity of moisture. Next thing, let's see how the organic matter, it affects the soil temperature. Now, it has been noticed that in the extreme temperature, whether it is during summer or maybe in winter, it always adversely affected the plants. But what happened? The less use of organic matter in the farms result in the frequent crop failure. But more use of organic matter in the farms, it gives the better result, as with the help of absorbed moisture, what happens? It maintains the temperature to the required level for the plant, both not only in the summer but also in the winter. So it helps to maintain the soil temperature. So the last is the conclusion. What happens? The organic matter, wherever it is used, more and more organic matter is used, neglected for the longer period of time in the farms, deteriorates the soil productivity. Second thing, the organic matter in the farms provide more biological diversity, ranging from useful microbes to the soil engineers. Third thing, the more use of organic matter provides the answer to the soil sustainability, as we are talking about the sustainability. Fourth one, the use of organic matter produces higher yield, especially under the drought condition. Next thing, the organic matter increases biodiversity of the crop and as the immune boosters to the plants against the pest and disease. More use of organic matter decreases the amount of irrigation, thus helps in the water conservation as well as soil conservation. Use of organic matter gives the much better quality of the farm products. And the organic matter in the farms, it provides the agro products free from the chemicals and the toxic. So these are the things can be seen. Thank you very much.